Okay, my dear students, this is the last session of last unit, that is seventh session of sixth unit. Even so, this is the last session of this course, heat power engineering. Well, okay, in this last session, we are going to learn ignition delay or ignition lag, component of the ignition delay or ignition lag. Well, then, once again, the delay period under that it has been divided into two phases, the physical delay and chemical delay, and effect of various factors on delay period in CI engine. Right. Ignition delay. Okay. See, I did explain what is delay period. Okay, delay period is the period where the injected fuel gains the self-ignition temperature after injected by the injector. Okay, this is the period of self-sustaining temperature to burn on its own. Right. This delay period is further classified into two. Number one, physical delay. Second one is chemical delay. So what is this physical delay? The physical delay is the time between the beginning of the injection and the attainment of the chemical reaction condition. During this period, the fuel is atomized, vaporized with the air to its self-ignition temperature. See, during this period, physical delay period, the fuel will be atomized, sorry, and the same CO particle thoroughly mixed with the air fuel mixture. Okay, but there will be a little gain in temperature. But the chemical delay, this is the delay period. What is that? See, the combustion takes place from any one of the points or some points. Once again, that combustion has to develop the self-ignition nucleus. That nucleus, okay, developing the self-ignition nucleus inside the combustion chamber of an IC engine is called chemical delay. Is called chemical delay. Okay, now the effect of various factors on delay period in CI engine. Many design operating factors affect on delay period. The important ones are number one, compression ratio, number two, engine speed, number three, output, number four, injection timing, number five, quality of the fuel, number six, intake temperature and intake pressure. Okay, see here, let us have the discussion one after the other. The compression ratio. If the compression ratio is increased, that means what? The fuel is compressed to the high pressure. As the high pressure, then the temperature will be increased. If the compression ratio is increased, then the chemical delay as well as the physical delay will be decreased. So there will be a more time to burn for this uncontrolled combustion and the controlled combustion. So the power developing by the engine will be more. Next is engine speed. How the engine speed affect on this? Say the injection of the fuel is not depending upon the time of rotation, but the injection of the fuel into the combustion chamber is depending upon the contact angle of the cam on the camshaft with the cam follower. Right. See, if it's so, if the engine speed increases, what will happen? The fuel injecting is same. The fuel injecting is same, but the pressure will be increased because of the speed, high speed. Because of the high pressure, once again, the delay period will be reduced and the sufficient time for the other periods. Second, and the next one is output, engine output. Okay, engine output means what? Because of this, the fuel burning is completely taking place. The next one is injection timing. Okay, say in this injection timing, sorry, what is happening? The injection timing can be advanced as well as retarded. That means what? The injection can be advanced, that also be retarded. Say if the injection time is advanced, that means what? Injection time is advanced means what? There is a more time for all the phases. Then the delay period will be reduced. The delay period will be reduced and the sufficient time is there for the remaining controlled and uncontrolled burning period. That means what? There will be a complete burning of the air fuel mixture and the maximum power development is there. Next one is quality of the fuel. Okay, say if the cetane number of the fuel is proper, okay, the cetane number, you are going to study the cetane number, what exactly the cetane number, right? If the cetane number is proper, that fuel burns completely. If the cetane number is improper, that means what? It's a poor quality of the fuel is being injected into the combustion chamber. The poor quality of the poor quality of the fuel cannot burn completely inside the combustion chamber. Then there is a delay period more, there is a less in uncontrolled combustion and less in controlled combustion. That means what? The output of the engine will be decreased. If you use the good quality of the engine, good quality of the fuel, then you may expect a complete burning of the fuel particles. Next one, as usual, intake temperature and intake pressure. It's quite natural. Okay, what is the function of the delay period? Increase in the temperature. Okay, if the temperature is increased outside the engine and heated air is inducted into the combustion chamber, then automatically delay period will be reduced. If the delay period is reduced, once again, as usual, the power development is more in the engine. And say that the intake pressure, say intake pressure means what? If you pressurized is supplied to the engine, there will be a maximum amount of the oxygen in the air. Okay, that oxygen burns all the fuel particles of the fuel, all the fuel particles inside the engine. Okay, this gives the maximum power. Say this is how the some of the factors affect on delay period of the CI engine. With this, I am concluding the last session of the course. Thank you.